Hey friends, it's Natalia. Welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I am doing a speed cleaning. I am cleaning my house before guests come over, and I'm also going to be sharing a delicious chili recipe with you. It is my family's favorite. So yeah, let's get started. Get this house tidied up. Okay friends, I have people coming over my house and I want to do a quick speed clean throughout the house. I'm going to spend 10 minutes in each area. I'm going to be following a list that I have and I'll show you here. But I have my timer here on the screen, the 10 minutes on each area. Caleb is back there. He's also cleaning up. So let's go ahead and get started. This was my first time doing a speed clean and I really enjoyed it. I thought it was actually really fun to try and beat the clock and get as much done as I could. And it kind of puts the pressure on you to get going and move quickly. And I think at one point I was out of breath because I was just moving, as fast as I could to get everything done. And it also provided fun for my Caleb here. He's 4 years old. He knew he had to kind of get everything done within that timer, and just having that visual aid of the timer also helps. So if you need your kids to get going, this is one way to get them motivated to start cleaning up. We host a community group for our church on Tuesday nights, and so this is basically, I think, my routine now for Tuesday nights is before people come over, do a quick clean tidy. I'm not getting deep into the cleaning here. I'm just doing it so that it looks nice, presentable, fluff my pillows, do some light dusting, and just get it ready for guests. As the timer was almost done, I kind of hit a little panic moment where I was like, okay, what else do I need to do? So I went ahead and did some more dusting because everything else was pretty much good. So it was really fun to do this, guys. Totally recommend. Okay, 10 seconds in the living room done. I got most of it done. Here we go. It looks pretty tidy now. Wipe that down. I didn't get really a chance to do much with this. I don't have much going on here to begin with, but yeah, pretty good, I would say. Sometimes I feel like you build it up in your head that you think it's going to take a lot longer, but it doesn't. So I'm going to move on to the kitchen next. Okay, checklists for living room. Remove clutter, yes. Throw out any trash, yes. Straighten furniture, wipe all surfaces. Throw out any trashes in here twice. Okay, well, I did that. I didn't get to sweep or vacuum the floor. I did a little bit of dusting, so pretty good there. Next, I'm going to move on to the kitchen. So I did change my mind and went ahead and started in the bathroom. I just wanted to get that done because I knew that my kitchen was in rough shape, so I wanted to leave that for the end. But now I'm just spraying down the toilet. Basically, you want to clean off your sink and your fixtures. One friend once told me that she thought every time she came over my house, she thought my bathroom was always so clean. And she said she could tell because the fixtures were clean. And, you know, it's funny, but that's a little hack. You know, sometimes you don't have to do all like the deep cleaning, but people notice, you know, when things like your toilet and your faucet is clean. So if you want to do a quick speed clean, these are the most important areas for you to focus on and get it looking guest ready. So this is the half bath that is in our main living area. So I don't have like a shower here or anything like that, which makes it easier when it comes to cleaning. So this is what I'm focusing on, just cleaning up the cabinets. I do have a linen closet in there that I need to organize, but that'll be for another time, not when you're speed cleaning, which was hard for me because I had to kind of, you know, stop myself from doing more because I knew I had limited time. So this was new to me, but it was good because it made a difference, that little bit of time. Next, it was time to move on to my kitchen. So here I am setting up my 10-minute timer and getting to work. It really needed a deep clean, but I just wanted to keep the counters clear and do the dishes real quick and get that done. I did, however, make the mistake of cleaning my microwave. I did like a deep clean on it with the like the little Angry Mom, I think it's called, cleaner dispenser thing. I don't know. You put vinegar and water in it, and it softens up all of the gunk in your microwave and makes it easy to clean. That definitely probably took me maybe 4 minutes or something like that, just because, you know, it required some cleaning and setting up the machine or the device or whatever. So I probably shouldn't have done that. I probably just should have wiped the outside of the microwave because that did eat up my time. But, you know, I did spend a few extra minutes afterwards, but I will show you what I was able to accomplish in the 10 minutes that I gave myself initially. Even though I should have waited to clean inside the microwave, I'm not gonna lie, it felt so good because it really needed it. And here we're moving on to the dishes. So I'm just loading up the dishwasher, trying to get all of the cups and plates and stuff off of the counters. That is my main goal, is clearing off counters when I'm doing a speed clean. It just makes a difference in the overall look of a room, kind of like when you make your bed. It just changes the whole vibe. So yeah, let's clear up all of the dishes and get them loaded. Alright, so the timer was done, but I wanted to show you the progress that I made in the 10 minutes that I set up. So most of my counters were cleared off. The only thing missing was the corner over here that I had to work on, but I did have to take down some things there, so it was okay. I spent an extra maybe 10 minutes doing that. So this particular checklist that I was using lists a bedroom in there, but I have my bedroom in my 3rd floor, which is not one that guests go into. My main living area is on the 2nd floor, and of course the entryway when people go in through the 1st floor. But I needed to take care of some laundry, so I went ahead and started folding, and I set that timer for 10 minutes and got right to it by folding all the laundry and everything that needed to be hung. I kind of sorted that out between my shirts and my husband's shirts and put them one on top of the other, so it's easy when I'm getting ready to hang them to just slide the hangers in from the top. Folding laundry is definitely one of my most dreaded chores. I hate doing it. But again, it's one of those things that you build up in your head. I was actually surprised at how much I was able to get done in 10 minutes because I always feel like it's going to take longer. I can do it later, and it doesn't get done. And that's when it starts piling up and getting bigger and bigger. And then it takes forever because you're so backed up. But doing this, loaded day and spending 10 minutes, folding and putting it away definitely, eases the pain a little bit. After this, I went ahead and started a new load. Making swings. It smells so good. Do you guys still use these, the little downy balls? My washing machine does not have like a dispenser, a liquid softener dispenser, so I use this, or if I catch it in the rinse cycle, I put it in. Just curious. And then of course I get my helpers here, Noah and Caleb, to tag team and take the stuff out of the washer and into the dryer. Earlier in the week, I went shopping for my weekly meal plan dinners, and I'm going to be sharing my delicious chili recipe. I'm using food found in steel food cans for my dinner tonight, and in doing so, I'm participating in reducing food waste. Steel food cans are infinitely recyclable and can be recycled over and over again with no downgrading of material. In fact, steel food cans have the highest recycling rate of any food packaging and can save over 2.2 billion pounds of food waste every year. What's also great is that 75% of all steel ever produced is still being used today. Steel food cans are definitely pantry staples in my house as a busy mom. They keep my food fresh longer, and they're ready for whenever I need to use them with no waste and no special care required. I will have the recipe listed in my description box. This is such a simple recipe to put together. You just dump all the ingredients and then you mix them. You let it simmer for a while, add some more water if you need to thicken it up, and that's it. You have dinner literally for like 2 to 3 days because it's that big, huge pot of chili. And all of this was able to happen due to the steel food cans. And I, of course, rinsed them out and recycled them so they can be reused later. Feel free to eat this by itself, or like us, we add rice to this and then we put our favorite toppings on it, and that's it. Dinner is ready to go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this. I hope you got some inspiration and motivation to get some speed cleaning done and get a quick and easy dinner on the go. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!